What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? It is Farmers Market Day. I am down at the commercial kitchen. Sorry, the elevator is okay. It's loud. But I'm down at the commercial kitchen, about to pick up my cupcakes. I just bought a new display case for my cupcakes, so I'm super excited about it. So I can look real professional out here. But yeah, I will be back shortly. I'm running to the store because I need to grab some fuel for the day, and this store has a lot of local entrepreneurs foods in here, and one of my sister entrepreneurs, she's also from my hometown, she has the bomb salads, and so I'm coming to pick one up, and I'm also coming to pick up some tea from these girls that I absolutely love as well. So let's see which one do I like. These are the salads right there, healthy to go. I think I like, yeah, this one right here. It's my favorite. And then I'm grabbing some tea. Oh! Almost dropped it. And my favorite tea, they have it. Woo-hoo. So I'll show you my favorite. I don't know if you can see it. Struggling. It's this melanated tea, blueberry lemonade. So good, y'all. Yes, I made a special trip to come get it because why not? And then I need to run home and make breakfast for my babies before we go to the market, so I need to grab some cheese. But you guys, you're gonna hear it from me first. My cupcakes will be in this store, and I'll, of course, will share with you guys when it happens. We manifested. You heard it here first. I don't know where the cheese is, y'all. But yeah, my cupcakes will be in this store soon. I'm sorry, I might be looking cross-eyed because I be looking at the wrong place on my camera. Where's the cheese? Okay, I found the cheese, you guys. I found the cheese. Alright, so I am here at the farmer's market. Just set up my little situation, so I'm trying to make sure it looks okay. I think it does. You guys, I gotta fix my sign, I think. Hold on. Set up, ready to rock and roll. Okay, so I totally forgot to record us finishing up at the, we are downtown. It's been a busy day. It's been a crazy day. It was farmers market, AAU game for my son, and now we're downtown celebrating my cousin. So I will hit you guys up later. I'm so excited. Today is my first day teaching my baking class with the kids, and we're gonna make cakes tonight. I don't think I'll be able to record in the building because it's kids, of course, so privacy issues and things like that. But I will definitely hop back on here, tell you guys how it went. And yeah, so tonight we're just gonna bake the cakes, and we'll probably freeze them, and then next week we'll decorate them. So it's gonna be so fun. They're gonna have fun. We're gonna play some music while we're baking, just like I do in the kitchen. It's gonna be really fun. I hope they enjoy it because I'm really excited about it. I am back home. I'm in my bed. Sorry, but just wanted to hop on here. Sorry about all this leopard. I know it's overwhelming, huh? I love leopard. I don't care. Anyway, so I just got back home and it was really cool. Like, it was 2 girls and I think about 6 boys, which is, you know, surprising. But so this was my first time actually baking with them. The last week, 2 weeks ago, I think it was, I went and just kind of introduced myself to them and kind of got to know them as well. And so this week was my first week actually baking with them. So we made a vanilla cake and we froze the cake so that we can decorate it next week. And so one cake we're going to do my signature candy surprise cake. And then one of them said the Minions. They want to do a Minion cake. So you may see that. We may do a Minion cake. I don't know. But it was really cool. They were very into it. And it seemed like everybody had a good time. The boys and the girls seemed like they had a good time. Seems like they're looking forward to coming back next week and decorating the cakes. So I'm really excited about it. And I'm happy that they're excited about it and engaged with it and interested, you know, in baking and even cooking. We're going to do some cooking too. So it's going to be so fun, but it's been a long weekend. I did the market on Saturday and then my son had AAU games. My cousin was in a magnificent play, you guys. If you once on this island, if it ever comes in your city, go see that play because it is amazing. And my cousin killed it. And so after that, me and the family, we all went out and celebrated her. And then it was back to AAU games on Sunday. I had an order to fulfill on Sunday, 2 dozen vegan cupcakes. And so it's been a fulfilling but very busy weekend. And then to end it on Monday with this class, the baking class. So just wanted to hop on, kind of give you guys an update on what's all going on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.